Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, clock, tachometer, electronic brake force distribution, child seat anchors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.